Nila yung flight. 10:15 na. So, here we are.
We are to Cebu.
Where are we going?
To Cebu, Digo Airport.
Yeah, airport. First family vacation. Again, 2022 Christmas season. See the people around here. So many people waiting for their flight. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same as we.
Same as we.
So, for now, we just have to wait for our flight to bound. Okay. I love you. Forever young. Yes, kita sa video. Nangyarap ka ng bulubol, yung makulit na yan. Pupusan ko na yan. Say hi. Hi guys, we love you. See you later. Labot na kami ng birthday ni Johnny dito. Galing ko rin. One more time. Happy birthday, Johnny. Labot na kami ng birthday ni Johnny. Dapat 9. Alas 10 na. Wala pa. Okay guys, I love you guys. Waiting there, waiting there. Yeah, I love you, Ate Mia. Yeah. Finally, yung nakaboard na. Back to Cebu, okay? First, family trip. Hello. December 26, 2022. Ate Mia, Mami, Obi. Do this. Ayaw ko anong picture yeah. 30 siguro mga 1. Hindi na kami. Say hello to the camera. Again, Dia. Say hi. Hi. Kobe, pakita ka ha. Kobe. Okay. Yeah. Happy? Yeah. Mami. Okay guys, continue vlogging lang tayo ha. Tawag dito, our first morning here in Cebu. December 27, 20. Okay. There's my family. Say hi to the camera, Mami. Hi. Ate Via, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Hello. Follow my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Kobe. Say hi to the camera, nak. Say hi. Daddy Nikki.
Daddy Nikki, Kobe.
Kobe,
may tagyawat sa iyo.
Dito kami sa Villa Dulce, Catalina Resort. Mami. Here we go. Ikot yan eh. May ganyang ano yan shot oh. Yeah. Mamaya na lang, okay? Yeah. Ito na kami. experience yan. Big dog. Bye dog. Takot pa ako. Puro truck pa tapos nasa likod. Tangin na yung hawak ko kay Pia. Hawak na hawak ako. Hindi ganun talaga doon. Tutuloy ba? Ayan o. Naga. Tubi yung tungdo o. Yung anak ko, Mimi. Ha?